Yes, sir.
Sir, फिर
Exercise 4.4, the first problem is given. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots existing, find them. So that is the first question is given to you. So how do we find out the nature of the roots? Nature of the roots find out करने के लिए discriminant is needed to us. We need to find out the discriminant. So discriminant, what is discriminant? Any one of you, please.
sir b square minus 4ac.
But p square minus
Yes,
4ac.
b square minus 4ac. Okay, in this, let us take the second problem, which you may feel little bit difficult to you. So 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. In this, a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 4 root 3, and c is equals to plus 4. So discriminant d is equals to not under root of b square minus 4ac, only b square minus 4ac, which is equals to b means 4 minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c is 4. So which is equals to 4 square is 16. 16 is a 48 we are going to get minus again 16 is a 48. So which is equals to 0. So since d is equals to 0, roots of roots are real
Equal
and
and real.
equal roots. So here the question is given, if the real roots are existing, we need to find out the roots. So roots find out करने के लिए x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula to find out. Okay. Minus b means 4 root 3 minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus under root of 0 by 2a 2 into 3, so which is equals to plus 4 root 3 by 6 we are going to get. If you get cancel here, you can cancel. So we are going to get 2 root 3 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3 is the 6. So the roots are, both the roots will be equal and add 2 root 3 by 3. 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3 we are going to get. Okay. Second question is given to you in this. Second question is find the value of the k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have equal roots. When they have the equal roots, we need to find out the value of the k. So in this second problem, I am selecting, first you can do it. Uh, Given question is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. It is not looking like a quadratic equation, but you can transform into the quadratic equation. So how do you transform into the quadratic equation? We are going to get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. What is a here? Can anyone tell? What is a here? Anik,
Okay. K.
Anik. Okay. A is
K.
equals to k. Okay. B is equals to Swarnakshi.
Minus 2k.
Minus 2k. Very good. C is equals to Ruheldas.
6.
Yes, 6. So we need to, here given that roots are equal roots. So since given roots are equal, therefore you can say that b square minus 4ac is equals to b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So b value is what here? Minus 2k. Minus 2k whole square 4 into a into c is equals to 6. So what do you get here? 4k square minus 24k is equals to 0. So from this you can take the 4k common. So you are going to get k minus 6 is equals to 0. From this you can say that k is equals to 0 or k minus 6 is equals to 0. Actually 4k is equals to 0 you can. So from this, you are going to get k is equals to 0 or k is equals to 6. But here it is k is equals to 0 if you are taking. In this the k is equals to 0. This is not a quadratic equation. We are going to get this will be transformed. K place में 0 ले ले तो 6 is equals to 0 we will get. We will get, if you substitute k equal to 0 here, what do you get? 6 is equals to 0. Isn't it? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So which is false? 6 is equals to 0 को क्या कहते हैं? Anyone knows? What do we call that 6 is equals to 0?
Sir, sir, it
In
is a false
mathematics, we call
statement.
it is a false, but what do we call this one? 6 is equals to 0 if I say. Do we call this as a open sentence statement or what do we call?
Sir, it is
Do you
equation.
have any idea? No, it is not equation. Most of the students will get confused that one only. It's not an equation. Equation means compulsory variable should be there, beta. We call this as a statement. In a mathematics, whenever you start the algebra, you see the my class of 9th class introduction of algebra.
Sir, it is a false statement.
Class of 9th class, you see my class. So it is a false statement. Yes. What is meant by a statement? Because as the situation came, then I am again recalling the concept. In mathematics also, sentences will be there. Sentences means mathematical sentences. These are all called mathematical sentences. In English, we are going to have the sentence. Like that, mathematical sentences will be there. Mathematical sentence means what here? This is also one sentence. Sentence I am saying. Sentence, mathematical sentence which can be said either true or false. आप true, false दोनों बोल रहे हैं, then that is called a statement. Either true you are saying or you are saying false, then we call it as a statement. If you are not able to say whether true or false, we call it as a open sentence.
Open sentence.
Suppose yes, if it is given explicit, ये true है false है नहीं बोल सकते. And open sentence, suppose if I say greater than also, this is also open sentence. Open sentence which is having this equals to symbol is called equation. Equation बोलने के लिए कंपल्सरी वेरिएबल होना है. वेरिएबल होता है तो वो ट्रू और फॉल्स नहीं बोल सकते हैं. We cannot say either true or false. We cannot say either true or false. So this is a point everyone have to remember. So this one thing please
सर
try
ब्लर
to
हो रहा है सर
recall
बोर्ड
that.
थोड़ा सा
थोड़ा वेट कर लो, it will get clear. So therefore k equal to 0, it is not possible. If k equal to 0 is taken, 0 we get. So which is not possible. Which is not possible. 6 is equal to 0 is never possible. So therefore you are going to write only k values should be taken as a 6. Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next
sir.
question is given. Next question in this exercise is given to you. Third question, I'm going to show it to you. So what is the question given to you here? Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? Is it possible is nothing but whether you are going to get the possible means whenever you get a b square minus 4ac. Here it is not necessary to us to find out the yes, if so, find its length and breadth. Is it possible is nothing but you need to find out the discriminant. means roots kaise hai, roots in case if you are getting the roots not real roots, then it is not possible. So the situation you need to represent, let length of mango group is equals to x, it is given to you in meter square na, so x meters. So breadth you consider, here length is given, length is given, length is the twice its breadth, length is twice its breadth. So better you consider breadth, breadth of the mango grove is x meters. Then even if you consider length as x also you are going to get, then the length is equals to 2x meters. If you take the length is equals to x, breadth we are going to get x by 2. Breadth we will get as a x by 2. So x by 2 aayega. So here it is not like this. So given area is equals to 800 meters square. So area is nothing but L into B is equals to 800. 800 yes, 800. So 2x into x is equals to 800. So we are going to get x square is equals to 400. So x is equals to plus or minus 20 we will get, but minus 20 should not be taken. So therefore x is equals to 20 meters. Therefore breadth is 20 meters and length is 2 into 20, which is equals to, actually what you need to do, you know, what is the quadratic equation in this situation? This is the
So
quadratic
ax
equation
square
we are
minus
going
c
to
equal
get.
to 0.
X square minus 400 is equals to 0. For this, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0, c is equals to minus 400. We need to find actually both b square minus 4ac. Whether is it possible or not to check. Possible होगा नहीं होगा check करने के लिए, then we need to do b square minus 4ac. 0, as the solution is very simple here, directly we are proceeding. But you need to do actually b square minus 4ac, 4 into a into c minus 400. So we are going to get 1600. This is greater than 0. 1600 greater than 0 means real roots, real and distinct roots. Therefore, yes, it is possible. It is possible. Okay. Next question, see here. Is the following situation is possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of the two friends. Sum of the ages of the, any one of you please read.
Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48.
So sum of their ages is 20 years. One person age you consider x, then the other person age will get as a 20 minus x. 4 years ago, their product of their ages is 48 is given to you. 4 years ago. So here, let the ages, let the age of the one means determine the sum of the ages of two friends given. Let the ages of present ages. Present ages of two friends as x. If x एक का है तो 20 minus x other का हो, because bracket में as sum of ages is 20. 20 minus x क्यों ले लिया तो reason mention करना. Okay, given 4 years ago their ages, given product of their ages 4 years ago is equals to 48. 4 years ago इनका age is x minus 4. 4 years ago, Inca age is 16 minus x. Their product is equals to 48. We are going to get a quadratic equation. So one equation will be minus x square, x into x, minus 16x, sorry, plus 16x, plus 4x, minus 64 is equals to 48. Minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 is equals to 0. Or you can take all the terms to the right hand side. सबको राइट हैंड साइड लेके सर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 20x दोनों को ऐड कर लिए तो 112 we are going to use. So both we are taking to the right hand side plus 112. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 20, c is equals to 112. We find out b square minus 4ac in this. So b square minus 4ac, what do you get here? B square minus 4ac minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112 is equals to 400 minus 448, which is equals to minus 48 we are getting. It is less than 0. Therefore, there are no real roots. So, situation को आपको find out कर रहे तो is this situation is possible means no, it is not possible. Whether we did this problem right or wrong, anywhere else wrong is there. Try to identify if there is any wrong. Is everything right?
सर आपने और नहीं लिखा।
सर 112 जो होगा वो माइनस साइन के साथ होगा।
हाँ
सर 112 जो होगा वो माइनस साइन के साथ होगा।
112 माइनस साइन के साथ होगा।
नहीं सर ये तो यहाँ पे सही है।
ये राइट साइड भेज दिया, इसका साइन चेंज होगा, इसका साइन चेंज होगा, इसका साइन भी चेंज होगा ना।
सर आपने और
this is minus 112, here minus 1 we will get, so that we are going here, right? It is. So this situation
Yes,
is not possible.
सर आपने
Not
इम्प्लाइज नहीं
possible. हाँ?
सर आपने इम्प्लाइज नहीं दिया।
What?
आपने इम्प्लाइज नहीं दिया।
हाँ, yes, implication, this one. Whenever you do the expression, see here, this is an b square minus 4ac, इसका नीचे मैंने is equals to लिख दिया, all in the line. So here whenever we are simplifying, you need to give the implication. Okay, that is only you are saying now. Next, the last problem in this exercise. Is it possible to design a rectangular park? Read that question, Ruhan.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Is it possible to design rectangular mango globe whose length is?
What? Which you are reading?
It is possible to design a rectangular mango globe whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square.
Ruhel, you are not concentrating on the class. The problem already whatever you are reading. Wait, beta. Wait. What he is doing? I have selected the question, highlighted the question, present कर रहा हूँ, तो भी वो क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के लिए बोल दे तो you are reading the third question.
सर वो इज इट पॉसिबल सेम था ना, इसलिए उसमें चला गया था, इसलिए।
ऐसे कैसे चला जाते? हाईलाइट भी कर लिया ना, मैं हाईलाइट भी कर लिया ना, means what you are learning also you are not concentrating. ऐसा नहीं होना है ना बेटा।
सॉरी सर।
ओके, दोबारा पढ़ो, 5th क्वेश्चन।
Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth.
Yes. Is it possible to design a rectangular park with a perimeter is given? So perimeter is given means indirectly the sum of the length and breadth is given to you. Given perimeter is 80 meters. Okay. Given perimeter is 80 meters. So that is nothing but 2 into L plus B is equals to 80 meters. So from this L plus B is equals to, we are going to 40 meters. Let length is equals to X. Then breadth is equals to 40 minus X. 40 minus L आएगा. Given area is equals to 400. Given area is equals to 400 meters square. 400 only. So area is nothing but length into breadth is equals to 400. So length is X. This is 40 minus X is equals to 400. On simplification, this one we are going to get it as a 40x minus x square is equals to 400. ये दोनों उधर लेके जाओ. X square minus 40x plus 400 is equals to 0. So here A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 40, C is equals to 400. So what is B square minus 4AC? We will get, you have to check. So B value minus 40 whole square minus 4 into A into C is 400. So we are going to get 1600 minus 1600. So which is equals to 0. So we are going to get the roots, real and equal roots. Real and equal is nothing but it doesn't matter that length and breadth equal we will get. No. Roots we are going to get real and equal. That means x value we are going to get the one answer only, that is 20 we are going to get. Obviously this is a minus b whole square expansion. This is a minus b whole square expansion only. A square minus 2ab plus b square. X minus 20 whole square etc. So x is equals to 20 we are going to get it. That means x equal to 20 means length is equals to 20, breadth is equals to also 20 we are getting here. Real and equal means you don't consider that इधर real and equal आया तो ये दोनों length and breadth equal compulsory आएगा बोल के सोचना नहीं है.
सर
Okay? Yes.
सर आपने जो लास्ट में हर प्रॉब्लम के साथ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac किया, ये मतलब क्या फॉर्मूला को पुट करने के लिए क्या है?
Yes. Is it possible? So the question is asking to you, is it possible? Is it possible is nothing but possible होता है नहीं तो roots exist होता है नहीं, ये check करना है. Whether roots exist or not, you need to check. Okay?
तो चेक करने के लिए सर हर एक प्रॉब्लम मतलब अगर ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है तो हमें लास्ट में फ्रूट्स मतलब ए बी सी निकाल के फिर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac करना पड़ेगा.
Yes. Is it
ओके सर.
possible? The question is given, is it possible? Is it possible is nothing but possible होगा नहीं होगा कैसे check करते हैं? b square minus 4ac check करना. Okay?
तो सर लास्ट में जो आंसर आएगा उसका कैसे मतलब समझेंगे कि पॉसिबल है या नहीं, जैसे अभी लास्ट में 0 आया.
Yeah, yes. Either if you are getting the greater than 0 or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0, real roots are there. If real roots are there, it is possible. No real roots are there, not possible. Okay?
Less than 0 not possible.
Yes.
Okay sir.
Okay?